Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be looking at the Statim 2000 PM Kit number 2. This kit comes with a cassette seal and lube. The cassette seal is important to ensure there are no leaks. Proper installation of this is important. There are provided instructions. However, there is a video link through our website on how to properly install this. The next thing is the biofilter. The biofilter is located on the back of the unit above the compressor. This is what filters the air going into the cassette through the boiler. The third thing is the compressor filter itself. This is located on the back, and this is the initial filtration for that compressor. And the last thing is the check valve. The check valve ensures no water gets from the boiler to the compressor. If water gets into the compressor, it can cause permanent damage and that compressor will need to be replaced. To install this, the cover will need to be removed. For removal instructions, there's a link located on our website. If you have any issues, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.